Greetings and welcome to my World of Tanks video. I have a real special one here. I have the Hound playing in a standard match on the Grim Graveyard. See how you like it. Here's the team roster. This is my team, Team 1. We were the winners. Spoiler alert, too late. And team number 2, so this is a tier 10 match, as you can clearly see. Let's get it on. So Grim Graveyard, this is the same map that if you play the Monster Mash, it'll be this configuration. This is the Prokhorovka map. What you'll see is that it's littered with just a bunch of those Revenant Panther shells. And so that's what makes the driving so horribly difficult for light tanks like mine. So this, you gotta be real careful. As a tier 10 match, any mistake can be devastating. The train will be coming up here momentarily. There it is. Watch the rail. It's a ghost train. Whoa! Alright, let's go and see what's going on, shall we? So really the thing to do, this is a Prokhorovka map, which means the light tanks have to be really careful to spot properly and not get caught up in any kind of superstar heroics. You don't want to be a dead superstar on this map, trust me. Been there, done that. So my main goal is real simple. Stay mobile. Keep your eyes on the enemy. Don't get crazy. Those wrecked Panthers make the driving treacherous. And you see this, I just got rammed into another one. Anytime you take your eyes off of where you're going, you're asking for ramming trouble. So you'll notice I don't stay too close to the center. Because if you stay too close to the center and stop, you're going to be dead. These are tier 10 killers. And realistically, this is not a good idea. I gotta like forget this. Normally, I might be a little bit more frisky in this nature, but not today. Stay away, stay alive. That's the key. Stay alive. Yeah, there's only one light tank on each side. So what happens here is that the power of the light tank will become increased actually as the match drains on and you have less and less tanks. So when you only have one light tank, you want to be that last light tank if you can beat, because you'll be the biggest boy on the block on the speed factor. It'll give that guy the most dynamic ability to cross the map. Yes, T-69, he is a dead man. Now the T-69 is not a light tank. He is a medium, right? You still have a light tank, so. Oh, rammed him again. Good thing that craft isn't in those Panthers, because he would, you know, put his voodoo curse on me. Trying to get spots for my artillery and snipers. Take it up. That was a mistake. I'm on fire, and not in a good way. Okay, that was a boo-boo. Hey, boo boy. So at this point, I'm really staying back. I'm about quarter health. Just hanging in there, hanging in there. Keep the patrol going. Give my guys a chance to make their move. I'm relying on their shooting ability and helping them to the best of my ability. There goes the light tank. T-92, he's a goner. Now I'm the last light tank on the board. This is helping me. I don't have to worry about a light tank sneaking up behind me. It's just be aware of the shooters. Take a look and see. And they're not a big deal. They do have like several snipers, a medium, a heavy, and artillery. So there's another one. With that artillery, I know where he's at. He's over there around, you know, K3 ballpark. My boys are doing a great job of picking them off one by one. You know, you don't have to try and be a superstar. If you do your job as a light tank and spot the enemy and stay alive, you'll be surprised at how much your score can reflect what you've done. Oh, there's a train again. We're in replay mode, so I'm going to look at that train as long as we can. That guy whacked two guys. Now, it's just the artillery. Say goodnight, chump. Ah, well. So that was a fantastic game. I couldn't find the score. I had recorded the whole video, but it disappeared, so this replay is all that I had. That was a really exciting match, relatively speaking. You know, not a whole lot. I had a really good score on that map, but I lost, for whatever reason, the video didn't save on my console, so I didn't make a still photo of the end screen, which I usually do, but for some reason I forgot to do that. So the bottom line is I stayed alive, and staying alive kept my teammates able to know where everybody was. There was no sneak attacks. You know, everything was in front of them, and they did a great job of whacking dudes. So this was an example of, after I got hammered down to about 25% health, it was you have to like adjust your perspective of what you can do, and you know, play it back a little closer, and don't be so reckless. I tend to be a little more adventuresome, but when I take damage, as you can see, I really reeled it in and played super careful, but super effective. So that was a really awesome map. You know, better than the Monster Mash maps, the regular ones. I have not had a game occur yet on the Himmelsdorf map, which is called Dead City. But I'd like to get one of those regular matches there as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of wacky game with the awesome map effects. Please leave a like for this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Tell your friends so they can see what we're doing over here. It's pretty good stuff. And thanks for showing up, and I'll see you guys next time.